My name is Dhiraj MOIRANGTHEM. We have 5 members in our family. My mom, my dad, and my 2 sisters and me. My father doesn't work in particular things, but he does some business from whatever he can do from his side. And my mother works as a CEO, as a community organizer in the municipality. And both of my sisters are still studying. As a kid, I was fond of playing any kind of sports. I was very interested in football. Not only football, in many of the other sports. I do play many of the sports, but in the beginning of the time, I don't get much support from my family. I was staying in the hostel, and I study in Jawan Navodaya Vidyalaya, where it is a residential school, so I don't have much time. But whatever time I get, I spend more time in the fields like court or table tennis and every other sports more than the time I spend in the class. I spend more in the sports activities and other co-curricular activities. As I say, it's a poor encouragement in the beginning. I proceed my maternal grandmother to buy the football studs for the first time, and that's how I get my football studs, and that's how I started playing football. There is a coach in our locality. He organized coaching every Sunday. I was in the residential school, so I cannot attend his coaching. So I managed to take leave every weekend after this Saturday class, giving the reason that I have medical problems, so I need to check up and so on. So I get back home on Saturday and I attend the Sunday coaching, and I used to go back to the school before 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning. And my school was around 25 kilometers far from my house, so I need to wake up around 5 o'clock so that I can reach their school in time to attend the assembly and all. My first achievement was along with the Indian national team. I won under 16 sub-championship in Nepal 2013. So that was my first achievement. Football has led me to a brighter part of my life, and above AFF, since I landed my feet to the AFF has given everything for me, every possible things for me where I can develop the maximum from my side. We got many exposure trips, many tournaments where we got to play and got many experiences to it. So I think I'm really blessed to be with the AFF Academy. First of all, I want to become a good professional footballer. Above that, I want to be a good human being. And I want to take good care of my family because they have been sacrificing so much of things to become where I am now. So I really want to take care of them, my family. Yeah, it is a one-time opportunity for Indian football. I think this is the first time India participating in World Cup, and I think it should be an inspiration for many of the kids who love football in India. This could bring a huge changes to the Indian football. Like the kids will get inspiration from them, and I think the parents would at least free them as compared to many years back.